What if you could freeze joint pain, swelling, and morning stiffness directly from your kitchen blender?
Today, we're blending 3 science-backed anti-inflammatory superfood smoothies packed with natural compounds that soothe inflamed cartilage, lubricate stiff joints, and stop arthritis flare-ups. Smoothie number 1, the Golden Turmeric Soother. In your blender, add 1 cup of frozen pineapple, 1 teaspoon of organic turmeric, half a teaspoon of fresh ginger, 1 tablespoon of chia seeds, a tiny pinch of black pepper, and 1 cup of almond milk. Blend until velvety smooth. Turmeric contains curcumin, a natural compound proven to lower inflammatory markers as effectively as common joint meds. Combining it with black pepper boosts its absorption by 2,000%, while pineapple's bromelain enzyme actively dissolves joint swelling.
Smoothie number 2, the Berry Tart Cherry Repair. Blend half a cup of tart cherry juice, half a cup of wild blueberries, half an avocado, 1 tablespoon of flax seeds, and 1 cup of refreshing coconut water. Tart cherries are packed with anthocyanins that lower uric acid levels and ease painful joint flare-ups. The healthy fats in avocado lubricate your cartilage, restoring smooth, friction-free movement. Smoothie number 3, the Tropical Green Collagen Shield. Blend 1 cup of spinach, 1 whole orange, 1 tablespoon of hemp seeds, optional collagen peptides, and 1 cup of chilled green tea.
Vitamin C from the orange acts as the primary driver for collagen synthesis, literally helping your body rebuild damaged cartilage, while green tea catechins protect your joints from daily wear and tear. Drink one of these healing blends every day to freeze joint pain naturally. Which smoothie are you trying first? Let us know in the comments below, and subscribe to Foods That Heal You for more daily body healing guides.